Well, a Nairobi court has allowed police to freeze 15 bank accounts belonging to Pastor Ezekiel Odero of New Life Prayer Center and Church for 30 days. This follows an application made by a DCI detective investigating Pastor Ezekiel of money laundering due to his links with Pastor Paul Mackenzie. Well, the court's decision has, however, been challenged by Pastor Ezekiel's lawyers, who appeared before Mombasa High Court for a hearing of an application made by the pastor to allow him to continue with operations in his church, reinstate transmission of his TV station, and stop police from freezing his bank accounts.
In an affidavit filed by DCI Detective Martin Munene before Milimani Law Courts, the officer sought to freeze 15 bank accounts held at Cooperative Bank, NCBA Bank, Equity Bank, KCB Bank and HFC Bank by Pastor Ezekiel Odero, whom he allegedly says could be involved in money laundering due to his links with Pastor Paul Mackenzie. Monene says that Pastor Ezekiel's accounts have been receiving huge cash transactions, which money is suspected to be part of proceedings of illicit cash from victims who are radicalized to sell their properties. The victims are said to have given the money to Pastor Mackenzie, a close associate of Ezekiel. The affidavit indicates that most of Mackenzie's victims are missing and are suspected to have died mysteriously. The officer also revealed that post-mortem reports have established missing organs in some of the bodies of the victims recovered from Shakahola, and it is believed that they were involved in the trade of human body organs. Munene urged the court to order the freeze as withdrawals from the accounts will jeopardize investigations. The court ruled in favor of the DCI and directed that accounts be frozen for 30 days to complete investigations. It further directed the respective bank managers to nominate persons to record statements and give it to the investigating officer. The matter will be mentioned on May 17th. Meanwhile, as the order was being issued at Milimani Law Courts back in Mombasa, Pastor Ezekiel's lawyers Danstan Omari and Cliff Ombeta appeared before Lady Justice Olga Sewe for a hearing of an application where the man of cloth sought orders to allow him operate his church, continue broadcasting his preachings, and stop police from freezing his bank accounts. In his affidavit, Ezekiel claimed to be innocent and attributed his misfortunes to a failed commercial transaction with Pastor Mackenzie. His lawyers vowed to challenge the decision issued by Milimani Law Courts.
We are definitely going to ask the court to try and stop that, because definitely they have shown disrespect to this court.
School children's account has been closed. Pastor does not know how to feed the children tonight.
Prosecution lawyer dismissed claims that the state had closed the church and said they were free to worship. The case will be heard on Tuesday.